some polystyrene backed radiator foil to go on here. I'm going to be gluing this on. There are a couple of ways you can do it as well. You can either use pins or tape. Using pins, because this stuff is easily torn, if you strengthen up the corners with some tape, then you can pin it. If you want to use double-sided sticky tape, then ensure that this radiator is clean behind the back. So, cleaning behind the back, there'll be a lot of dust. Because the radiator creates a convection current, then dust in the air is drawn from below and sticks to the wall and radiator and the fins. So make sure there's no dust on the back. Pinning and taping leaves this free at the bottom, so that convection current again can start to loosen this at the back because it's wanting to lift out. So this has already been cleaned. Now if it's a shiny surface, then you want to rub it down. I've just got some sandpaper on a stick. If it's vinyl paper, then you need to use a good adhesive, overlap adhesive or neat PVA. So you can use a tape measure between the brackets, but I know that this fin here is in line with the edge of the bracket, and again the edge of this fin here. So simply pop it on there and draw it across. Mark where I want to cut it just by a little turn. Now I can just cut this with a pair of scissors. Now for the next step, because this will retain its memory from off the roll, then I'm just going to roll it back the other way, inside out, and just gently press it, not squashing it, just press it gently, take the memory out. In here, I've mixed up some paste, very strong, and then I've put some PVA, neat PVA in there. I'll just mix all this together. It'll just make the adhesive a little bit easier to put on and more workable. A bit longer working time with it. Again, if it was vinyl paper, then you would just use neat PVA or border adhesive, overlap adhesive to get this on. Now what I want to do is get it on pretty quick. As soon as it's on here, I'll wipe my board off. Working away from the edges. Just drop this into position. I want this to go quite low. So we're okay there now. With a roller, I can smooth this down. Get all the air bubbles out. And just work along. Turn that so I can get into the corner. If need be, you can get from down below. Wipe off with a cloth. Brilliant. That's well and truly stuck. Well, depending on how many of these you're doing, do all your prep first, all your cutting. Then when you mix this up, you can just use it up and go around and do each one. So now all you need to do is clean this out and put the radiator on.